Symphoni. JayKay Dowdall Symphoni. Symphoni, a training program designed to teach you how to use audio ads to drive traffic to your site and offers. New training reveals an untapped traffic source of 100 million users currently only used by massive brands like Coca-Cola, Ford, and more. Here's what your tribe will get with Symphoni: 17 videos of newbie-friendly training, 3 hours of tutorials and traffic lessons. Relatively untapped traffic source. I've not seen anybody talk about this. Action-based, set up range of ads to build your list, make sales, and more. 3 huge ways to monetize this underused traffic source. No list or existing assets required. Using one of our monetization tips doesn't even require a website. Complete white hat training. How to resell this service to local biz. Beginner-friendly, expert potential. Both noobs and vets will learn actionable content that gets results. Period. What is Symphoni? Symphoni is a beginner-focused traffic training that focused exclusively on how to deliver traffic from Spotify advertising. Spotify is the newest self-serve ad platform with over 100 million ad-supported users. Spotify has a very liberal approach to allowing multiple forms of content to be advertised to their audience. Affiliate offers can be directly linked from an ad. Dating offers via CPA are allowed. Weight loss is allowed, etc. Spotify allows its advertisers to reach their audience for as little as $1.83 per day. Symphoni focused on how to get started with Spotify traffic without spending a large budget and without spending an excessive amount of time researching audiences and creating ads. Symphoni students will be able to have 80% of their ads completely designed for free by using the training included in the Symphoni training, meaning more time taking action and less time focusing on learning how to create an ad. The training is designed to be action-centered rather than mindset-oriented. All videos are actionable content that can be applied immediately. Symphoni's strategies. Symphoni includes 3 strategies to monetize the potential of Spotify traffic. The first strategy is monetizing via info product affiliate links like those from ClickBank, etc. The second strategy focused on monetizing via CPA marketing and raw linking to affiliate offers on different affiliate networks. The third strategy is an introduction to monetizing via reselling audio ads to offline businesses via cold emailing. JayKay Dowdall Symphoni.